All right. Okay, go ahead. Hey everybody, Mulkey Films here. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of the Cutie Mark Crew Season 4.
Pull the string.
Okay.
No, pull the string.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get...
What My Little Pony is it?
Ah,
Confetti!
Confetti! This is their new beach series. Oh, how are you going to get it open? What's it going to be? Oh, there you go. Which one? These are brand new for us.
I think you got Twilight Sparkle.
You think we got Twilight Sparkle? Let's look. Show everybody the paper.
Twilight Sparkle.
Twilight Sparkle, and then what does she look like in her package? Okay, you put it, you open, you show us what she looks like. Oh, look!
Flip-flops.
She comes with flip-flops. That's so silly. And her little orange heart. Here, let's show everybody what she looks like in her flip-flops. Oh, she's so cute.
I don't want that one. I want the one who has a sandcastle.
Oh, and that's sometimes what happens with unboxing.
All right everybody, this has been Mulkey Films. If you like what you see, click subscribe. Help support the channel.